In this screencast, we are going to learn how to start a quiz on Socrative. Basically, you're going to go on your dashboard and you're going to select Start a Quiz, and from there they'll give you a list of the quizzes that you've already created. We created a sample quiz. And then you're going to have some different options in regards to what kind of quiz that you want to start. So the first option is student-paced immediate feedback. That means that the students will immediately get the feedback after each of their questions, but they cannot skip around to different questions or change their answers at the very end. Once they've selected an answer, that is their final answer, and then you'll be able to monitor their progress on your side of Socrative as well via the live results table. The next option is student-paced, student-navigated. That means that they are able to skip their questions and go and maybe change their answers. They have to submit at the very end. Whatever they've chosen at the very end to submit is what will be scored. And you're also able to monitor them on the live results table as well. The last option you have is the teacher paced. Now, this is where you, as the teacher, will control what questions they see, and you control that by your mouse pad. You do one at a time, and you can also go through the questions at the very end. You can skip questions as well. You'll also have additional settings that you can choose for your students when they do their quizzes. Obviously, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 different settings that you have the options of setting for them. Pretty self-explanatory. I'm going to go on. This is that live table results that I was talking to you about with the 2 student-paced types of quizzes. Your students will show up under the class here, and their answers for each of the questions will also show up. And as it says, click on the question numbers or class totals for detailed questions views. This is what you will see on the teacher-paced quiz. You can go through each question. You can press how did we do in order to figure out how many of each selected what answer choice, and it will also go through what answer choice was the correct answer choice. Once again, these were the different types of quizzes that you are able to take. Once again, we've got student-paced immediate feedback, student-paced student navigation, and also teacher-paced. If you have any questions, make sure you put a comment underneath this particular announcement in Google Classroom.